So let me show you how to pair and connect your PS5 controller to your Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. So go to Settings, you scroll through the menu at the top, select Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Remotes and Accessories. Select that, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then you can now go and click on Pair Accessory. Now, as the TV searches for devices to pair to, go ahead and put your PS5 controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, you just press the Share and PS button, and you're gonna press them until that light on the controller starts blinking rapidly. Now, as you can see, our TV has already detected the controller, so all you have to do is click OK to select and pair, and then give it a moment, and then now it says Bluetooth request for DualSense wireless controller. Just click on pair and they're gonna get paired and connected. It's really that simple. So now your controller is connected. Okay, so if you have some games that support controllers, you can actually just connect. Thanks for watching and good luck.